Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are very good. Let's start today's class. Today we are going to play some interesting addition game. So, today we are starting with number 24. Yes, start. 24 plus 8. Quick. 24 plus 8. 32. 32 plus 8. 40. 40 plus 8. 48. 48 plus 8. 56. 56 plus 8. Fast. 64. 64 plus 8. 72. 72 plus 8. 80. 80 plus 8. 88. 88 plus 8. 96. 96 plus 8. 96 plus 8. 104. 104 plus 8. Try. 104 plus 8. 112. 112 plus 8. 120. 120 plus 8. 128. 128 plus 8. Quick. 136. 136 plus 8. 144. 144 plus 8. 152. 152 plus 8. 160. 160 plus 8. 168. 168 plus 8. Quick. 176. 176 plus 8. 184. 184 plus 8. 192. And 192 plus 8. 200. Today we are learning addition from this game. Okay? So we will meet in our next class. Take care. Bye bye.